Welcome to 901 and B Street in Indianola. I'm excited to show you the beautiful finishes of this home. Upon entering, you are greeted by a large living room with so many windows. There are beautiful hardwood floors and original trim throughout this home. Let's keep going into the dining room. This has plenty of space for large or small family gatherings. Love the well-placed light fixtures that blend so well with the character of the house. Let's head into the kitchen. This kitchen has beautifully updated cabinetry, faucets, and countertops. Let's take another look at the living room. I love how this home all flows together, but still gives you areas of privacy in each room. Now let's look at a unique feature that most new construction homes lack is this additional breakfast nook. The door leads to the backyard. Next, we are going to head to the basement. This basement is unfinished, but has features you don't normally see in a basement like this, including brick flooring in the laundry room. We've got two separate rooms that can be used for storage, extra playroom, or workout area. You still get a decent amount of light in this basement. You'll also find the half bath on this basement level. This house also has a radon mitigation system and sump pump. If you desired, you could consider finishing this space. Let's head upstairs now to the second level. First up on the top floor is an office area. Next, we have an updated bathroom with tile floor and modern vanity. Let's check out bedroom 1. This bedroom features a unique nook by the window. Next bedroom. Again, lots of natural light, beautiful windows. This home is located within a block of Indianola's town square. To give you an idea of size, this bed is a king-size bed. This last bedroom, a little smaller than the other two, but still plenty of room and a view of the backyard. Let's go check out the backyard now. Here you can see this home is on a corner lot, so plenty of front yard. Let's head to the back. Plenty of driveway space, basketball hoop above this detached garage. Enter the fenced-in area and you'll find a brick patio ready for summer grill outs and plenty of backyard space. If you have any questions about this beautiful property, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to give you a tour.